to today's video. Today, we're going to be talking about our future homes. So, what do you think cities will be like in the future? Now, do you have any smart appliances in your house? And if so, which ones do you have? What do they do? Please search for other smart appliances that you would like to have. While you write down your ideas. Great, we're going to share in class. Now, let's go to student book page 22. Please read the article there and decide on one or two items that you would like to have in your house. In my case, I would really love to have that shower that has climate control features. What about you? Okay, let's continue. Now, these are some proposals they mention about the house in the future. What do you think about them? The house of the future will play either natural ambient sounds or a list of pre-selected Spotify songs. It will use both solar-powered and wind-powered energy. The house of the future will neither spend gas-powered energy nor heat-powered energy. It will not only be environmentally friendly, but also affordable for everyone's pocket. Okay, now, before we continue with this, go to student book page 23, exercise A. Here, you need to rewrite these three sentences, but you can use the article on page 22 to help you. Pause the video while you work on this, then come back to check. Okay, let's see. Number 1. Both solar power and wind power energy supplement the regular electricity supply. 2. Dishwashers are regarded neither as remarkable objects nor luxuries. And 3. It not only gradually powers down the lights, but it also activates the security system. Did you get this right? Excellent. Now, let's go back to the previous sentences. What is so special about the words in bold? Either, or, both, and, neither, nor, not only, and but also. If you notice, they are combining ideas. They are called conjunctions. Let's see how to use them. So, we can use either or to list two alternatives. Please notice that either goes before the noun or whatever we're listing as the first alternative, and we use or to introduce a different alternative. The house of the future will play either natural ambient sounds or a list of sounds. Okay, let's continue. Now, you can also use both and in this case you will use them to combine two phrases or clauses in an affirmative context. It will use both solar power and wind energy. But what happens if the context is negative? Then please use words neither nor. The house of the future will neither power energy nor heat power energy. Okay, finally we can use not only and but also to combine two ideas and to make one stronger or to emphasize the later one. It will not only be environmentally friendly, this feature of course is important, but also affordable for everyone's pocket. That feature is more important. That's why it is using but also. So let's practice. Here I have 4 sentences. We need to choose the best conjunctions to complete them. Let's do number 1 together. I want both or neither a distant nor a small house. Well, as you can see, I am using nor, which is negative. So should I use both or neither? That's right, we're going to use neither. Now pause the video and work on the other sentences. Then come back to check. Okay, let's see. They are looking for both an affordable and comfortable one. Not only late, but she had also forgotten the documents. They were asking for either light green or light blue walls. Did you get them right? Great, let's continue practicing. Let's go to workbook page 12, Exercise A. Here, you're going to complete the article about Mazar City using conjunctions like both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also. Remember, both and are for affirmative contexts. Either or are alternatives. Neither and nor are for a negative context. And not only, but also you want to emphasize. Please notice that there is more than one correct answer in two of them. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, so let's see. We know that number 1 is not only. Therefore, number 2 has to be but also. Number 3, neither, and 4. 5 is going to be either, and 6, or. Now, with number 7, you had two options. Maybe you wrote both, or maybe you wrote not only. And depending on which one you chose, is going to be number 8. And, or, but also. If in number 7 you chose both, then in number 8 you should have and. But if in number 7 you wrote not only, then number 8 is but also. Okay, now, please go to student book page 23, exercise B. Here you will rewrite the comments using the conjunctions in parentheses. Now, please notice that you may need to make a few changes in the sentences. Let's see. You know what I don't like? High-tech gadgets with all those functions that you don't want or use. We need to use neither and nor. With all those functions that you neither want nor use. Like my alarm clock tells the time and gives the temperature outside. Not only, but also. Like my alarm clock not only tells the time, but also gives the temperature outside. It is like my cell phone. I don't open the calendar and I don't use the voice-activated calling. Neither nor. It is like my cell phone. I neither open the calendar nor I use the voice-activated calling. Now pause the video and work on the other conversations. We're going to check in class, okay?